Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will talk about how does blockchain actually works. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Blockchain technology has been making waves in recent years and is often touted as the next big thing in the world of technology. Despite its growing popularity, many people are still confused about what blockchain is and how it works. Blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure digital ledger that enables the transfer of information or assets between parties without the need for intermediaries. It provides a tamper-proof record of transactions, making it ideal for use in various industries, including banking, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. In this video, we will demystify blockchain technology by explaining how it works, what makes it unique, and how it can be used to improve various industries. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a curious learner, this post will provide you with a comprehensive guide to understanding blockchain technology. 1. Introduction to blockchain. What is it and why is it important? Blockchain technology has been generating a lot of buzz in recent years, but what exactly is it and why is it important? At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Unlike traditional centralized systems, where a single authority maintains control over transactions, blockchain operates on a network of computers known as nodes. One of the key features of blockchain is its immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it becomes virtually impossible to alter or delete. Blockchain technology gained popularity primarily due to its association with cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. However, its potential extends far beyond digital currencies. Blockchain has the ability to revolutionize various industries, including finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. 2. The basics of blockchain. Understanding the concept of decentralized and distributed ledger. To truly understand how blockchain works, it's essential to grasp the concept of a decentralized and distributed ledger. In traditional systems, like banking or government databases, there is usually a central authority that controls and validates transactions or information. However, blockchain operates differently. Blockchain is a decentralized system, meaning there is no central authority or intermediary involved. Instead, it utilizes a network of computers, known as nodes, that work collectively to maintain a distributed ledger. This ledger is essentially a record of all transactions or data that have occurred within the blockchain network. 3. How does blockchain achieve trust and security? Blockchain achieves trust and security through a combination of innovative technological features and a decentralized network. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger system that records transactions in a sequential and transparent manner. One of the key elements that ensures trust and security in blockchain is the concept of consensus. Instead of relying on a centralized authority, such as a bank or government, blockchain utilizes a network of computers, known as nodes, to validate and verify transactions. To maintain the integrity of the blockchain, cryptographic algorithms are used to secure the information stored within each block. Each block contains a unique identifier, known as a hash, which is generated by applying a mathematical function to the data within the block. Any alteration to the data will result in a different hash, alerting the network to a potential tampering attempt. 4. The role of cryptography in blockchain, explaining the use of hash functions and digital signatures. In the world of blockchain technology, cryptography plays a vital role in ensuring the security and integrity of data. The use of hash functions and digital signatures is at the heart of this cryptographic process. Hash functions are mathematical algorithms that take an input, data, and produce a unique fixed-size string of characters as an output. This output, known as a hash, is essentially a digital fingerprint of the input data. In the context of blockchain, hash functions are used to create a digital representation of each block in the chain. This hash not only identifies the block but also verifies its integrity. Any alteration to the data within the block will lead to a different hash value, alerting all participants in the network to the tampering attempt. Digital signatures, on the other hand, are cryptographic mechanisms used to verify the authenticity and integrity of digital messages or documents. 5. Blocks, chains, and transactions, breaking down the components of a blockchain. To truly understand how blockchain works, we need to break down its fundamental components: blocks, chains, and transactions. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers or nodes. Each transaction is grouped together in a block, which contains a unique identifier called a hash. This hash is generated using a cryptographic algorithm that ensures the integrity of the data within the block. Once a block is completed, it is added to the existing chain of blocks, forming a chronological and linear sequence of transactions. This chain is secured through cryptography and distributed among the network of nodes, making it incredibly difficult for any single entity to alter or manipulate the data stored within the blockchain. Now, let's delve deeper into the components of a block. A typical block consists of three essential elements: data, hash, and previous hash. The data section contains information about the transactions it includes, such as the sender, receiver, and amount transferred. The hash, as mentioned earlier, is a unique identifier generated by applying a cryptographic hash function to the data. We hope you found our video on demystifying blockchain insightful and informative. Blockchain technology has taken the world by storm, yet many people still struggle to understand how it actually works. Now that you have a better grasp of blockchain technology, you can appreciate its potential and explore the countless ways it can be applied across various industries. Thanks for watching.